In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on likes notifications from anyone on X, formerly known as Twitter, so you can get notified whenever people like your posts. This is a quick setting, but if you've never changed your notification preferences before, it can be a little confusing to find. So I'll walk you through it step by step. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials like this. It really helps the channel grow, and it lets me know to make more helpful videos for you. Alright, let's get started. First, open X and look at the left-hand navigation bar. If you don't see all the options right away, click More to expand the menu. This is where you'll find additional settings and account options that aren't shown in the main sidebar. Once the menu opens, click Settings and Privacy. This is the main area where you can control your account, privacy, and notification preferences. Inside Settings and Privacy, click Notifications. This section controls the alerts you receive from X, including activity on your posts, mentions, replies, and other updates. Now click Preferences. This is where X lets you customize the exact type of notifications you want to receive, so you can decide what matters most to you. From there, click Push Notifications. These are the notifications that appear on your device in real time, so if you want instant alerts, this is the section you need. Next, look for the Likes section. Under that, you should see an option for From Anyone. Toggle that setting on. This tells X to send you like notifications from anyone, not just people you follow. And that's it. Once that option is turned on, you'll start getting likes notifications from anyone on X whenever your posts are liked. If this tutorial was helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more quick X and Twitter tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.